There is a famous quote which says that those who do not learn from history are doomed to repeat it. But in school, history is one of the required subjects that many students find dull and boring. Many students are good at studies, but yet they find it hard to learn history, while some are just not interested at all. Maybe because of the fact that history is a vast subject filled with dates, places, names which are not easy to remember. However, each and every subject requires different resources and study skills. And if you approach history with the right techniques and tips, it won't take long to fall in love with the subject. So, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Watch movies. Yep, you heard me right. Watching movies can be an effective and an entertaining method to learn and study history. There is a wide range of films, documentaries, and series out there that accurately depict historical events. These movies can help you to learn history without getting bored. But unfortunately, there are some movies that depict historical events, but they are not true to historical facts. Hence, make sure to select movies or series which are not just entertaining but also historically accurate. And if you know any such movies, make sure to comment their names down below to help out your fellow students. Number 2. Make connections. History is full of facts, events, and details. There's so much information to learn and memorize that it seems almost impossible to memorize everything. But one of the keys to studying and learning history is to establish connections between facts. And the best way to do this is to start by developing an understanding of the big picture and then work your way down to the details. To do this, you can use mind maps, which is yet another effective strategy to visualize historical information at a glance and making connections. It helps you to map out the information or events using symbols, words, colors, and images in a manner which makes sense to you and brings you more clarity. It can help you to understand the information better and memorize amounts of information from your history textbooks. Consider the following example. 3. Make flashcards. Now, if there is a piece of information that you can't connect to other events, or you can't make a mind map for it, or maybe that one particular event is more important than the rest in its chronology, then you can memorize that event using flashcards. You can even use flashcards to remember important names and dates. Number 4. Add dog ears. Note down the summary of the chapter that you are trying to study for the exam in a bullet format on a flashcard. After that, fold the corners of all the important pages in the chapter, thus creating a dog ear. This creates a better recall and makes learning easier. Doing this initially can help you in faster revisions. Which chapter do you find the most difficult in history? And do you want us to make a video about it? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Letstute for more such content. I'll see you next time with another study hack video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing with Letstute.